Okay. Hello and welcome back to Jason Albert TV. Guys, I'm Jason Albert. Let me just get this out of the way. Okay, you guys are probably wondering why I am dressed up in this lab coat. That is because today we are doing an experiment. That's right. I've got my safety goggles and I've got some nitro gloves, increased puncture resistance, latex free, and I'm going to explain why. So, I don't know if you guys are familiar with the saying, putting two and two together. My entire life I've heard instances of this being used, when someone's like, well, how do you figure that out? Oh, well, he put two and two together. Or, in a crime scene, oh, it looks like the detective put two and two together and figured out it was so-and-so and such and such. And it's always used in a way where after somebody puts two and two together, they now have this knowledge that they didn't have before. So I started thinking about this and I thought, that's weird, right? And I wanted to see if there is really something to this. So I went online, I tried to look, what happens, what happens when you put two and two together? What do you get when you put two and two together? And I tried to see if anybody had done an experiment to see what you get when you put two and two together, and I didn't find anything. So I thought, well, I've got a YouTube channel. I'm sciencey. I can put on latex gloves. That last thing, not so much. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time with this. Okay. So I went out, I caught two twos, and what I'm expecting to happen is either an explosion, okay, because something this powerful, right, if it's either an explosion or it's going to unlock this incredible fountain of knowledge upon me. It's going to rain down on me and I will become that guy who put two and two together and now knows everything. Folks, let's get into what you get when you put two and two together.
Yeah, Jason Albert TV with Jason Albert.
Okay, like I just kind of threw that in the middle. Let's do it. Safety goggles on, latex gloves on. Are these latex? Did I just say they were not latex? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Let's do it. Were they? Latex free? I don't know. Oh yeah, latex free. Not latex, latex free. Okay, here we go. With the two twos. All right, so the first two is coming up. You guys are ready? Okay. The first two here. Again, you guys can see I'm moving pretty slow because I want to be careful. I don't know what is going to happen. I've never worked with the two of this size, and so you just want to be cautious. Whenever you're doing experiments, science experiments, scientific experiments, you want to make sure that you're always being cautious, using caution. Okay, the second two is crowning, and it is fully berthed onto the desk here. Again, being careful. Okay. Whew. I'm a little bit shaky, a little bit nervous. I don't know the reaction that's going to take place. So again, please don't try this at home. What we're going to do now is we're going to put two and two together and see what we get. All right. Here we go. Ominous music playing, suspenseful music, romantic comedy music playing. It's not actually going to play in the video. I'm just saying that so you guys can kind of get the tone. I like to switch the music up also. You can see we're getting pretty close here, guys. I'm going, again, guys, I am moving slow. Caution, caution, caution. Those are the three words you need to know when you are a scientist, folks. I want to make sure I'm getting this Are you guys seeing this okay? You guys are seeing this fine. I don't need your feedback. Okay, right now I'm about 4 inches for, almost tipped it. Ooh. As I was going to say, for you guys using the metric system, whatever the equivalent of 4 inches is. Okay, let's move it in. We're going to keep going, guys. We're going to keep going. Okay, I'm about 2.5. Okay, about 2 inches away now. Whew, it's really getting. We're really heating up here. Not actually heating up. That's not one of the things that is happening in this reaction. It's heating up. The intensity. It's moving, guys. What do you get when you put 2 and 2 together? Remember, 2 of the things I think could potentially happen. Huge explosion, hence why I'm like this, hence why I move things out of the way. The other thing, I unlock some secret magic key that stores all knowledge, and once these touch, I then get drained on. I get rained on, and then it drains. I meant to say rain, not rain. It gets rained on. I get rained on, is what I'm trying to say. With knowledge, know all, can solve crimes. Here we go. Okay, back at it. I feel like when I said 2 inches, I feel like that was a lie. Okay, we're getting really close, guys. Okay, I want to make sure these line up perfection is key. I don't know if you could hear that, but that was my stomach, because this just makes me hungry, just seeing these 2 2s here. Here we go. We're super close now, guys. We're super close, guys. We're super close. Ooh, okay, we've got whatever the metric system of that would be. As far as a measurement goes, it's way smaller than an inch. Here we go. All right, 3, 2, 1. Okay, no explosion. I don't feel smarter. I don't feel like I know more than I knew. Okay, give me something. Quantum physics. Quantum mechanics. Who's really guilty in the Make a Murderer series? Who's the... I don't know anything. I know things. What do we have? What are you guys seeing? Let me just come around here. Quick. Oh. What do you get when you put 2 and 2 together? 22. Awesome. All right. Thank you so much for watching. See you later, crocodile.
Please like, comment, subscribe, follow, and share.